Imagine creating your own games, your own AI, your own websites, or even automating boring work using just one programming language. And that language is Python. And the best part, you don't need to be a genius. You don't need to know programming. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Coding Lifestyle for You. So, what is Python? So, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Think of Python as a language that allows humans to communicate with computers. Instead of speaking English, we write Python code and the computer understands it. So, Python is famous because it's easy to learn but powerful enough to build huge applications. You can think about driving a car. You don't need to know how the engine works. You only need to know how to use the steering wheel. Python is exactly like that. It hides complicated things so beginner can focus on solving problems. So Python is a high level general purpose programming language. What is meant by high level? It means Python looks very close to English language. And what is this general purpose? General purpose means Python is being used everywhere in creating web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, games, AI, ML, right? So it is easy to learn, it is powerful and versatile, it works on many platforms, and it is beginner friendly. So Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Okay, and it was created to be simple, readable, and fun. Then why Python? So why is everyone learning Python? Because Python lets you focus on ideas instead of complicated syntax. Python is loved by millions of developers because it is simple and easy to understand, saves time and boosts productivity. It has huge community support, lots of free resources available online, and it is used in many real world applications. So, if you ever get stuck, there are millions of programmers online who have probably solved the same problem. Okay, so Python lets you focus on solving problems, not just writing code. So, next is where is Python used? So, this is where Python becomes exciting. So, Python is used in many exciting fields. It is getting used in web development to create websites and web apps like Instagram, YouTube, Dropbox, and many more. Then it is also getting used in data science and analytics. So it analyzes millions of rows of data and it is used in businesses. Then Python is also getting used in artificial intelligence to create chatbots, image recognition softwares, self driving cars, generative AI like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Then it is also getting used in automation. It helps you to rename files, send emails, generate reports, Excel automation, right? So all these things can be done using Python. Then we can also develop games using Python. Okay, so there's a Pygame module, Pygame package, which helps in building games. Then we can also create desktop applications. We can build softwares like calculator, student management system, hospital management system. So many projects on this channel are built using Python. You can check them out. So next is Python in real life. You probably use Python every single day without realizing it. So think of Python as a super helper in your daily life. YouTube uses Python, Instagram uses Python, Google uses Python, Netflix uses Python. Similarly, Spotify uses Python, Uber uses Python, even NASA uses Python, Amazon uses Python. So big companies trust Python and so will you. Next, we have how Python works. This is the simplest way to understand Python. You write code, Python reads it, Python converts it into instructions the computer understands. The computer gives you the result. Imagine giving instructions to a chef. You say make tea. The chef understands your instructions and prepares tea, right? Python acts like the chef between you and the computer. So Python works step by step just like following instructions. And now the most famous program in programming history, print hello Python. This single line tells Python display this message on the screen. So after writing this code on running it, we will get the output hello Python. This may look simple, but every professional programmer in the world started with something similar. This is the traditional first program in programming. Then, what makes Python special? So, we will understand some of the features. First is readable syntax, means whatever code that we write is very clean and readable. A human can understand it easily. There are no complicated symbols in it, like other programming languages have. It supports multiple programming paradigm. It means it supports different programming styles. You can write the code in many ways. Then automatic memory management. So it helps you to clean the memory as soon as your program ends. Then large standard library. A library is like a toolbox. Instead of building every tool yourself, you simply use tools created by other programmers. So Python has huge library collection. So Python is simple on the outside and powerful on the inside. So what you will learn? This course is designed for complete beginners. In this Python journey, you will learn how to write real programs, how to solve problems, how to build projects, and after that, you will become a confident coder. So, we'll learn one concept at a time, and soon you will master Python. So, today we learned Python is easy, powerful, beginner friendly, used by many companies worldwide. It is perfect for AI, perfect for automation, perfect for web development. So, learning programming isn't about memorizing code, it is about learning how to solve problems. And Python is one of the best languages to begin that journey. In the next video, we will install Python and you will write your very first Python program on your own. So make sure to subscribe to Coding Lifestyle for you, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Also, tell me in the comments, why do you want to learn Python? Is it for AI, web development, automation, data science, or to start a programming career? Thanks for watching. Keep practice, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.